Hello, hello. Today we started morning in Tulamben with a sunrise dive. As you saw already from the footage, there was a lot of people underwater. Only our group is 8 people. So today is a Monday, and as I predicted yesterday, there was a bump heads, not so many people underwater. There was another group guide with 2 people or 3 people. Doesn't matter, but we saw the bump heads. We counted, it was 9 of them, really close. Everybody was able to see them. We spent kind of some good 5-7 minutes together with them. Then we proceed to the next place. Visibility today is not great. I've seen better visibility, but it doesn't really matter. This morning dives are always special. The second dive is a coral garden. We're gonna do just swim around again, usual area, something we did already a couple of days ago, but for the people it's always really interesting. Personally, me, to keep this interest about the dive sites where I'm diving so many times, I always trying to find something new and interesting. Try from different ways, like for example we spoke about other guys. They always say they've been diving on Liberty Wreck with the same dive center previously, and then they did a dive with us. But they did 2 dives with us, and every time that route was different, and they say that was actually great because the previous dive center always brought them same way, and it's kind of boring. Well, you already know where you're gonna go. So I'm always trying to go from one side or from another side. So I always trying to mix. So first of all, it's interesting for me, and same time if I have the divers who've been diving already in this dive site, so then that's also interesting for them. And you know, the dive sites are never same. They're always different visibility, different currents, different fishes. I remember that I did a dive in February and that cargo room was full of mackerel. And since then I haven't seen mackerel there anymore, but that was different, right? Two dives done. Everybody's super happy. Ate lunch together. Biggest part of them went home. Now I will go for another dive with another 2 divers, and we are going to pyramids now.